There are few rare places on Earth where space seems closer than anywhere else. In France, there is one. A place where every morning, men and women wake up with one certainty, that what they're working on today could change the future of humanity. Welcome to Toulouse. Here, everyone has a special connection with space. Here, nothing stands still. It's the fastest growing metropolis in France. The leading French city for entrepreneurship, a region with 120,000 students and 20,000 researchers and engineers, all helping to shape the world of tomorrow. A city that has quietly reinvented itself, and which is now impossible to ignore. That's why in 1968, France chose Toulouse as the location for the largest technical center of CNES, the French Space Agency. Yesterday, a strategic choice. Today, an internationally recognized center of excellence. From Toulouse, French and European teams operate satellites that observe our planet, understand our solar system, map the universe and search for distant worlds. 90% of this research is conducted through international cooperation.
Toulouse is the heart of a very large space ecosystem, from the French Space Agency, the CNES, but also the main European prime contractors, universities and the schools with a lot of students working on the future of space. A lot of missions were born here for universe science, for Earth observation, also for medical purpose, but also developed in industry, and data from this mission are used by the researchers in research laboratories, and around them a large number of SMEs and more startups to develop space missions and space ecosystem.
To bring together the world's greatest scientific minds, you need a city that's up to the task. And in Toulouse, it all starts even before you arrive. 84 direct destinations, non-stop connections to major European cities. And for those who prefer to travel by rail, Toulouse, with its recently renovated station, is at the crossroads of Southern Europe. As the aerospace capital of Europe, everything here is designed to take you further. Metro, tram, cable car. Every journey is seamless, with 760 kilometers of cycle paths for alternative transportation, and soon, a direct line between the airport and city center. And because we all need to rest, Toulouse offers 12,500 rooms in all categories. 1,150 of these are already held at guaranteed rates for the entire duration of the event. At the heart of this vibrant energy stands The Meet, one of the largest venues in France to host the event. The venue was designed to accommodate up to 10,000 participants and has already hosted numerous international events. For COSPAR, a 30,000 square meter exhibition space is planned, along with an auditorium that can seat 3,500 people and 31 spaces dedicated to the scientific program. Everything has been designed to move quickly and easily from one room to another. And then, between conferences, Toulouse offers you something uniquely special. The spirit of the south of France can be felt in every meal, every sunset, every conversation. A city where you work as fully as you live. A city where life is good.
I arrived in Toulouse a couple of years ago for my PhD, and I had the opportunity to do several research projects in different cities, and none of these cities are like Toulouse. Here, it's all about science, especially space science, and people live for this ecosystem. Plus, when you have this quality of life, the nature around, you feel at home.
2030 is not just a date. It's an invitation to bring together the world's leading space scientists in a city that for over 6 decades has been pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. An invitation to celebrate with COSPAR the 70th anniversary of its very first assembly. Let's think together. Let's explore together. Let's build together from Toulouse for the future of humanity.